ejai osomero lo abia primary school aitegar akoraro na bola na program lo apple na itelai arabo na pdm Kanu etema bia apara na bian minister lo chichilo rotin muse Ecweru nyesa unya noebe mam Eijinia lo districta Eswamae daracha lo otido lo ejai roto lo alereke ejok.
Minister, I need engineers with the PhDs, not your type. These people cannot come and demonstrate. They cry, they are desperate, and you are arrogantly eating our money in the district and you think you are too important to serve them. You come, write a letter of interdicting this man until that money is brought. Mambo Bojo, Alomar officing on, I will stand for the hourly, even if it means me losing my job. Write a letter of interdicting this fool, and somebody should bring and come and take charge of Otido. I am going to look for 10 million shillings and lemon and arachana is going to Otido with immediate effect. You fool! Don't play with the government of Uganda's money. Somebody from Elgon Technical to think is the most educated. God have mercy. You can't run my district like that. Go to your villages. If you want for elections, come and compete with us, and then people will put you to where you belong.
Minister lo anyunyura no inyesa balebe arai mami tunga ekotosi aswamu ojala kisi atia midicha pia inu ebe itore ngarani kina itunga.
It's not going to be business as usual. Arai mami officer ekota aswam, kindly go home. And it will one have never seen an inspector. They have never seen the DO. What are you there for? Really? What are you there for? And you want me to be polite? Because I am a Christian? Sabete sumloi.
Koto mainere sine luitunga edaracha lo otido nyesabu otie kino karulo atubori ibore etionore lo se koroto kangon.
Edaracha lo buanga ukaruje konye buanga obwe district obwe kikapulutoma beta imilo ni toma berelwa jenengo konye tenilo lo mama somelo sta konye
anyunyure ngad depar anwero talo erotolo aya kanga sana ipunoi ebuto ribo betwene ni le ebura ilon abunere kadarasa kine biro kini neni ibiro kini neni arabi tunga ayu konya pugane mentenga jin makani bani ija pugane anu ayu nuso
adi tunge biro norotoma koloje buanga titonge chieda
ele
ayu na yo
na buanga rero tolo kwanene peta ikare dio pekeratu tubete itamasa yangara imonyo itamasa ngini bore kera kron kamanara kirero tolo emame isadu mune ina pakino rotalo etwani twato okweka lo isegwo kate serabu na raya na tesipakane ese igoko paka yanga rukweka laije
konye engineer Max Eunya ngesa balebe adukoni lo abunge si jaiki ikapun agwelu na iborolo edaracha ngesa buisi apa dukona
ibo wongo oyapesa le ya ajakanuto ijanu tupitono papa minister ngopoto yanga kisiso awoja una na mambo bwa engineer apote jeki se contract ngona le papos boya so iborolu atidon oya so ngaroi oya so simit mamula poni ijuka ina popula ngunu aya ni borogun oboya otoma pakange nyese bala papa mi saposa chima de sesa bitedope anu kwana isirigini nguna bongun ane na arte system abongunu to no so pula no bobe pedo reto som akora no boninje ere process lo mama engineer Eswamae era kwa nene office of finance e office chekao ni Eswamae takiro lo kwa ngai ka oja ngini kere ona ni jeni kwa no engineer amenaswa engineer ya bikapi kupioli konye processing on mama engineer
Kanuka TV East Alfred Atwao ko district alo Amuria.